Hello YouTube, how y'all doing? Welcome back to your girl's channel. If you're new up here, thank you so very much for coming by. And if you're oldie but a goodie, thank you so much for returning. If you don't mind, please go ahead and like, share this video so we could keep growing. I see the growth, guys. Thank you so very much. I do appreciate every single one of you guys. If you are into beauty, fashion, lifestyle, and a little bit of this and a little bit of that, this channel is definitely for you. As you guys can see in the title today, it is another kind of video. It is a styling video. If you do not know, I do have a 9-to-5 job, okay? Yes, I do work in a corporate settings. I go to work and I come back home every day, and then I come and give you guys the very beautiful fashion, channel that you guys have come to love and to like. So yeah, I just wanted to give you guys today a little styling of what I do wear. My job is more of a business casual. You can wear whatever you want to wear, but just make it, professional. I am an IT engineer, so my job is like you chill dress. You don't have to wear a 3-piece suit, okay, to work. But guys, if you want to know about certifications to get, if you're getting into IT and you want to know a little bit of any certification that you can get to get your stuff into the IT world, go ahead in the comment section and let me know, or DM me on Instagram. Don't forget to also follow me on Instagram, MrstitosTV. That's where everything you guys see on me always comes to life over there, and I put a lot of my life update and stuff over there also. But don't let me ramble too much. If you want to see how your girl style to go to work every day, Monday through Friday, stay tuned and keep on watching. Okay guys, on a Monday, I like to dress real corporate, looking really nice, looking really cute. I mean, all week I always look cute and I always look nice. But Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, I like to look really professional with a nice little outfit with some heels and stuff to go with it. So on a Monday, this is something that I wore to work on Monday. This nice little pink striped shirt. It is from H&M. It's a burgundy kind of reddish color on it, all paired with this pants that I got from Marshalls. Guys, if you're looking for any corporate kind of outfit or stuff like that, do not sleep on Marshalls. Express also have some really good one, but if you don't have the money for Express, Marshalls, TJ Maxx, they are really good place to get your pair of pants. This is the pants over here. It all have the same color, color trend going on. So I paired with this pair of pants also with that. Then I wore this shirt is from H&M. The shirt I wore with it is from H&M, and it looks something like that. It is a button-up shirt. It looks really nice. And I also paired with this little jacket duster kind of thingy right over here. It is also from TJ Maxx or Marshalls. I can't remember. I think I got it last year. It is Cynthia Rowley. So yeah, Marshall, TJ Maxx, they do also have name brands over there. So guys, don't sleep on those two stores over there. So this is exactly what I want to work on Monday. So on Tuesday, this is what I want to work. This jacket right here, the jacket is from H&M. It's this nice green strap, pink strap jacket from H&M, looking really cute and really nice. I got it, I think, late last year when they were doing their sales. That's when I got this jacket from, and then I paired it with this little t-shirt that I got from Target. Target has all this t-shirts. They're like $5. So I have different colors of it. So yeah, I did went ahead and stuck up because they are really cute and really nice. Just simple something you put under a jacket, a blazer, or something real nice, and a duster, and put it on your pants with it, jeans, slacks, shorts, whatever it is. They could go with this shirt. So I paired with this black t-shirt over here, and also these pants. These pants, I think I got it from Marshalls. Marshalls also is Delia. Marshall or TJ Maxx, either one. I got it from them. This green pair of pants. I think they call it cigarette pants or something like that. So yeah, I got this also from them. It doesn't have pocket, but it has 4 pockets on it. Put my and yeah. Okay guys, this bag right here is the bag that I take to work. This is my work bag. I put my laptop, my everything in here. It is a Kate Spade. Oh, can y'all see it? It is Kate Spade bag that I got from. So yeah, this bag you guys will see it a lot in all my what I wore to work kind of thingy week. So because this is my work bag, until I change it, then you guys will see something. Okay guys, when Wednesday is rolling around, I tend to like dress down a little bit because that's middle of the week. Monday and Tuesday I already give them extra professional. If you this right here is what I wore on a Wednesday. It is this this sweater, sleeveless sweater thingy that I got from Target. So Target be coming through, man. This little vest right here, I got it from Target. I got it extra small because it is extra hella stretchy. So I got this. I wore this with this white shirt that I got from H&M. I bought it in a medium. It was when they were doing that sale. This was $24 and I got it for $10. It was during when they had that sale was going on also that I got this this shirt from. Also paired with this pair of pants that I got from Marshall or TJ Maxx. Most of my pants that I wear to work are mostly from TJ Maxx or Marshall. So guys, like I said, do not sleep on them. If you're looking for something professional to wear to work or whatever, you could be able to go over there and get it from them. This is from Anne Klein. I think that's how they pronounce her name. Right over here, if you guys could see it. But it is hella big on my waist, so I just make it work. I need to take it to the tailor for them to take it because this is when I used to be a little bit thicker, and I'm not gonna get rid of my clothes because I lost weight. I just take them to the tailor, and they I just take them to the tailor and they fix the waist for me and a little bit inches off the hip area and stuff like that. So yeah, this is what I wore to work on a Wednesday. Okay y'all, this is what I wore to work on Thursday this week. It is this take this off, this duster that I got from Target. Also I got it like about a year or so ago. It is this duster. It comes with this belt. It is yellow. It is pretty long. I really like this jacket, and I wore it with this little shirt that I have at home already. I think I got it from TJ Maxx. Yeah, this little slingy see-through shirt, long sleeve and everything else, and also with this pair of pants that I got from from Marshalls. I got this from Marshall. It's also Anne Klein. It is this long pants and stuff, so you guys should also be seeing the video up here right now. I'll put it together with my bag and my black heels, shoe to go with it. When it's Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, I like to wear flats, something nice, something cute on my feet. Monday and Tuesday, I like to wear a little bit of heel, look extra professional. Okay, but the other days I still look professional, but a little bit, you know, calm down. So yeah. Okay guys, this is what I want to work on a Friday. It is just this little jacket right here that I got from Marshalls. It is called Kenzie Jeans. Kenzie Jeans over there that I got. It is very cute. It's this green army jacket kind of thing. So it looks like this. So, and I wore it with this bodysuit also from Marshall or TJ Maxx. It is called Gaza. Sorry, it's inside out. It's this bodysuit that I also got from Marshalls, also Marshalls or TJ Maxx. I already took the tag out. Both of them are the same company, literally. But yeah. So this yellow bodysuit with this also pen that I got this from H&M. It is a little big for me now. I got it in an 8. But I wish I got in a 6, but I got it when I was still a little bit thicker. So yeah, this is what this one is looking like. And yeah, that is what I wore this week to Okay guys, that brings us to the end of this video. I do appreciate every single one of you guys for watching all the way to the end. If you get something out of it, if you are inspired by any kind of outfit that I have on to wear to work, or you are thinking about, oh, I'm trying to start a job and I don't know what I'm supposed to wear, most of these outfits you can wear them to interview and all that good stuff, and you'll be good to go. All right guys, thank you so much for watching. Go ahead in the comment section and let me know what day or outfits you guys like best on your girl. Don't forget to also like, share, and subscribe to this channel. I will see you guys on the next upload. Remember to live your life like no one is watching, because God got your back.